Would you like to have one place to go and find out about everything that's happening in this area?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
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 I'd like to be able to find an easy way of planning my time too. We've got dozens of places to go for information between magazines and newspapers and websites. I have an idea to bring all of that information into one calendar, and I've found a calendar server that can do it for us, and I'd like to show you. So the first calendar that we're going to look at is from the city of Boston. You can filter out and see only the events that you want to know about. So you go to the first filter, which is the type of event, and you click None, and find the ones that you do want to find out about. So let's say film and theater and performing arts. So now you have a list of all those things that are happening in the entire city of Boston. But you don't want to know about the entire city, you just want to know your neighborhood. So then you go to the filter that says neighborhood, and you click None, and then you choose the neighborhoods that you do want to know about. Let's say Beacon Hill, Brighton, downtown Mission Hill. Okay, and then you go back to the calendar, and all those events in those areas will come up on the calendar. You can hover over the title and a pop-up window comes. And that gives you a brief description, and you say, okay, I want to know more. So you go, you know more. Okay, and part of the benefits of this system is you can have a map also that shows you exactly where the venue is located. If you click on it, you can get more information from a separate window. You can add it to your calendar directly. You can tell your friends that you're going to this. And you can also, these are other options. You can be notified of any changes, be reminded by an email. You can get the information emailed to you directly, get a text to remind, get a text to get the information, and you can download the information. All of those options are part of the calendar server system. We can go to another calendar that's being used by an institution called the Smithsonian. Their calendar starts out with all of the events being offered in DC and New York City. If you go to the monthly calendar, you can click on a date and be taken directly to that date. Another thing that's part of the system is you can subscribe to the calendar and have all of the events go directly to yours and download it to your iCal. We can look at this calendar, What Grows On in Rhode Island. Now this is a private organization. A nice part of the calendar is you can locate whatever events you're searching for within a certain number of miles of a zip code or a town. There's a lot of different opportunities for the person posting the event to link to their own websites or even ticket purchasing. Now let me show you, this is a proposal that I have for our calendar here in the Manchester area. southwest-vt.events. And this is all just a proposal, but it will be honed and modified all the way through going live online, and I need everybody to help support me through my Kickstarter campaign. So now you have a pretty good idea of the type of calendar that I think we could use and use well and appreciate. So whatever calendar we end up with, whatever information is on there, it's all up to us to come together and make it happen. So thank you for your attention and your contributions.
Yes!